Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today we went out and got a bunch of freebie for babies. We have a second kid who's on the way. So we went out and got a bunch of freebies. So this stores, they give you a freebie for signing up a baby registry. We got one from Target. This one is from Walmart. This one is buybuy baby. And this one's from Amazon. And this one is from a company called Kiinde. So I'm gonna go unbox them today and also kind of tell you how you can get them. Most of them are free, but a couple of them you might have to purchase something and then pay for shipping, so on and so forth. So anyway, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Now first up, let's talk about the Target bag. So the Target one is quite simple. What you need to do is to sign up a free registry and then fill it with some stuff in there, any item really. Then is to call Target, because when we went to get this bag, most of the time they are out of stock because the supply shortage. So it's best for you to just call them ahead of time and then go and pick it up. So according to them, this is supposed to worth about $100 worth of freebie in here. Not only you get the freebie and the baby registry, you can send it to other people. They can buy stuff for you through the registry. At the end of the event, they will actually send you two 15% off coupon. One's for online, one's for in the store. So if anything on your registry that you are going to buy, you actually can get like 15% off at the end. And lastly, like the best part about this is anything that you purchase through the registry, you have up to 1 year to return. Yeah, 1 year. I mean, that's kind of crazy, right? By then, like your kids are already 1 year old. So anyway, let's open this up. First thing I see is say hello to a year of registry benefits. Oh, so they actually tell you about the stuff in here. Honest white avian bottle, baby bottle, Huggy special delivery. This one is actually kind of expensive. This higher end diaper from Huggies. But I think they also have a coupon inside as well. Dr. Brown bottle. We really enjoyed this bottle. Our kid, that's the only bottle that he likes. So hopefully the second kid will enjoy the Dr. Brown bottle as well, because we have a lot at home. Milny Moon. This is also a luxury diaper. Stretch mark lotion cream. The diaper rash paste. More wipes. Draft. This is a laundry detergent. That's free sample. Breastfeeding bags. This can hold milk. This is cool. 2 breast milk storage bags and nursing packs inside here. More lotion cream. And this is the boogie wipes. They also have a coupon on the back, so you can cut it off and buy the real thing with $1 off. So that's it for here. All right, so here's the Walmart welcome kit. This one is also free. So what you need to do is to create a baby registry list, and then they will ship this to you about 4 to 6 weeks. So you just have to be patiently wait for this to arrive. It says knock, who's there? Well, anyway, special delivery. A bundle of joy for you and your little one. All right. Congratulations. All right, another advertisement for Liquid IV. Oh, this is the Liquid IV. Cool. So I guess you just pour it into, mix with water and you can just drink it. All right, so here's a little booklet called Mom's Guide. Mommy's Bliss. There's a $1.50 off coupon, and there is a sample for you to try. Diaper rash cream. Alright, so a Dr. Brown pacifier, and also another Huggy diaper lotion. More advertisement, booklet that they sent, envelope. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, suggestion on what to do with the 1 month old. What you should get. They have a 1 month card, and then on the front you're supposed to get a car seat, and then you have the 2nd month, which is the play mat. So this go all the way to 12-month-old, which is a playpen. So 12-month playpen. Well, anyway, so there are 12 cards in here. Diaper rash cream, and another laundry detergent. Huggies Natural Care. This is sensitive wipes. Dr. Brown milk bottle. This is for Walmart. All right, so next one is from Amazon, the baby registry gift. Now for this one, you get 10% off eligible remaining items from the list after the event's over. If anything that hasn't been purchased, then you get 10% off. If you're a Prime member, that goes up to 15%. And for this one, you get 90 days of return. And also you get like 20% off for the first year diaper if you go on to using the program itself. That will save you a lot of money if you decide to just buy disposable diapers. And this way you can save about at least 20% for the first year. Now, in order for you to get this particular one, what you need to do is to create a list, obviously, and you complete 60% of what's required you to do. They have a percentage when you are signing up, like fill out your address, filling out items, and so on and so forth. Once you hit to 60%, if you want to stop, that's fine. The next requirement is to purchase something from the list that's at least $10. So once you have done that, they will ship you a welcome kit. So anyway, that's how you're going to get this particular one from Amazon. Alright, so Amazon baby registry, download, scan, add, and purchase. Pamphlet, more pamphlet. Oh, a tote bag. This is pretty cool. And a bunch of other pamphlet. Alright, so first thing is for Simple Joys by Carter. This looks like clothing. Ah, look at that. Isn't that cool? Free clothes. Nice. A little towel. Oh, baby size towel. And they also have Hydrate Plus Immune System Boost. Just mixed with water. You can drink it. Water wipes. Okay, these are wipes. Detergent. Huggy diapers. Ma'am, this is a baby bottle. Ah, cool. Free baby bottle. Rash cream, lotion, baby wash, and shampoo. Okay, so kind of like a travel size shampoo. Okay, so this is for Amazon. Alright, so the next one is from buybuy Baby. This one is relatively simple, but you do need to have buybuy Baby in your city in order for you to pick one of this up. What you need to do is just create a baby registry list, either online or in the store. But you have to pick up the gift bag from the store. And so that's the issue if you don't have one of those stores in your local city. And also they give you 15% off on your remaining unpurchased item from the baby registry list. Noodles and Boo, luxury for sensitive skin. So what is this? Ah, okay. Super soft lotion. Newborn 2-in-1 hair and body wash. Okay, cool. Oh, just one more in there. And the elasticity oil for mommy. Coupon $5 off for $15 purchase and more. 2 of them. Pacifier dual baby bottle. Buy one, get one free. Cleansing water. No rinse. They also have a coupon for buy one, get one free. Wipes. Also have the $1 off coupon on the back. Pamphlets. Okay, more Noodle and Boo. This is newborn hair and body wash and then super soft lotion. More of this product. Okay, more pacifier. Aveeno Baby. This is lotion. 2 of them. This is fast relief diaper rash paste. So this is from buybuy Baby. Alright, lastly is this package from Kiinde. And they spell Kiinde. Now this you actually have to pay for shipping, but it's supposed to be $49 value here. And there's a 50% off coupon in here as well. Okay, so this is what, 50% off. Direct pump, any pump you can attach to you can attach to this manual pump and you can start pumping. Okay, this takes some time to kind of know what to do. Oh, what? So you pump the milk in here and then you put the milk back inside this container here and you put the nipple on, so this will become a baby bottle. That's why I got it. Anyway, so they have some attachments for different baby bottles as well. There are 14 total adapters, so you can direct pump from any pump or direct feed with any nipple from this brand. So any of this, it will sort of work with it and then easier for you to feed the baby. Instruction on how to use. Register your kit and get the first 40 pack of twist pouch for free. $15 value, just pay $6 for shipping. So I guess you sign up to buy this packs. Well, anyway, so this is from Kiinde breastfeeding starter kit. So those are the unboxing of all the freebies we got. I think the best one is from Target. Not that the bags has the best stuff, but they give you the most value. Now, for one thing, we did end up having two different coupons, 15% for purchase online and 15% for purchase in store. So that's a lot of saving on itself. So once you create a list, you can add more stuff into it if you want to, and then enjoy that 15%. But they can only be used once online, once in store. And the way that you get the baby bag, and you don't have to pay for shipping, nor do you have to require to buy anything to start getting the freebie. So Target is the best one to get. Aside from that, I think Walmart is pretty good too. Just create the list and they will ship the kit to you. But everything else, buybuy Baby is free, but then if you don't have that store in your town, then you're not able to get the freebie at all. So that's the downside. Anyway, so if you have any questions or any suggestion on where we can get more this type of freebie, comment down below. Until next time, bye.